Hello and welcome to another edition of K's and Creations. You've come to the K's and Creations YouTube channel. Today we're making an appetizer that will feed about 4 to 5 people. It creates about 5 cups of cauliflower, what we're calling cauliflower popcorn. You're gonna start off with one cauliflower. You can probably want a medium to large size. And then you're going to have a small bowl. You're going to put in your quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, and a half teaspoon of salt. You can always add this when you put your olive oil, but we tend to like put it all in one bowl to make it a little bit easier. So what we're doing now is you're taking a knife and you're cutting it. You're going to get rid of the greens or the stems, and you're going to try to get small 1-inch pieces that resemble popcorn. You can either do this by hand as well, especially if you have some of the larger pieces that you cut it down. But again, you're looking for like 1-inch little small that look like popcorn. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and add your 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is just to keep it from sticking to the pan and whatnot. You can also put parchment paper on your baking sheet to even help with that. Then you're going to add your herbs, which is again is your Parmesan cheese, your garlic powder, your turmeric, and your salt. You're going to stir that all around. And once you've done that, what you're looking for is you want to make sure that the cauliflower is covered in the turmeric, a nice bright yellow color. And then from there, you're going to put that in your baking sheet. Again, we use parchment paper to keep it from sticking. Just put that on a single layer. Just put that around. And then once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and put it in the oven. Again, this has been preheated to 425 degrees. You're going to cook it for about 15 minutes. Once it's been cooked for 15 minutes, you're going to go ahead and take it out again, and you're going to turn it around. But you want to make sure you stir it up just to kind of get them to move around. So once you've turned it around and it's cooked for another 15 minutes, go ahead and take it out, put it into a small bowl, and then go ahead and serve immediately. Oh, sorry. Last thing you're going to do once you put it in the bowl is you're going to drizzle it with your 1 tablespoon of butter, just to give it that kind of popcorn flavor. And then if you want, you can add a little bit more salt just to give it a little more, balance of flavor. Put that in one of your serving dishes and serve it to your guests. Again, it makes about 5 cups, and that should feed about 4 to 5 people. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, go ahead and add them to our website. But you can find the recipe at plantobefit.org/blog. Thank you for watching this.